Hey guys, so this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. Alright guys, y'all know I love you, so let's hop in. Thank you guys so much for the support, but let's go. Let's see what's going on with you guys. This can go two ways. I feel like I'm saying this all my readings. This is what I keep seeing. Okay, so somebody from your past is coming back for some of you guys, right? And you're unsure if you should listen to this person, take this person back because of how they treated you in the past, which is why they're asking you guys to retreat. So they want you to take some time to yourself, meditate, really think through, listen to your intuition before you just make this crazy decision, whether you stay, go, whatever. They just want you to take some time to really think about it. For others of you, somebody new is getting ready to come in, and this person is going to make you very happy. This person is someone who you dealt with in a past life, so you've never met this person. And that's why they're saying it's safe for you to love, but because like the previous person or past relationships, you know, have really hurt you guys, your guard is up at this point, you know, so that's why they're letting you know, hey, it's safe for you to love, you know, not everybody is like this. It's like you guys have the tools now, you know, you went through certain things because you guys are supposed to learn something here. So now you're supposed to take what you learned and apply it to the new person coming in, or for some of y'all, the old person here. So, alright, Aquarius, let's see what's going on for Aquarius. Alright, Aquarius. General reading. Alright, let's see what's going on. Okay, guys, here we go. Bottom of the deck, you guys have the star. I mean, you, look at that. That is y'all right there. Alright. Some of you guys could be dealing with another Aquarius, but if not, I feel like a lot of you guys are just trying to stay positive at this point. You know, some of you guys are just hoping for maybe this person to come back into your life. Maybe you're just hoping that they'll reach out to you. For others of you guys, you're like, I just want love in my life, so I'm trying to stay positive. I'm doing the work. I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing to attract the right type of man or to attract the right type of woman into my life. Okay. Yeah, look at that. You guys want happiness here. You guys are ready. Okay. Let's see where this is going. Tell me more, please. Put your back and forth. Okay, so I'm sorry for getting quiet, y'all. It's like I just got a lot, and I'm trying to just pick and choose what we're going to talk about. This is a lot. Okay, I'm getting a lot of different messages. Okay. For some of you guys, the person from your past is coming back, right? So y'all split. This person wants happiness with you. Something took place on their end to the point where whatever they were doing, it wasn't working in their favor. So now they want to come back because they want the 10 of Pentacles with you. But it was hard because somebody was in the way. I feel like they had to get their finances together. They've been really working hard, which is another reason why you really haven't been hearing from this person. But they know that you're the person that they want. I just keep looking at two people gazing at each other. For others of you, it's like you guys are putting the work. You're ready for happiness. You're ready for someone to come in that's going to give you everything that you deserve. You know, someone who basically has their stuff together. You could be dealing with a Virgo. But again, I'm telling y'all, there was a lesson for you guys to learn. Regardless to what your situation is, they need you to take a step back. They need you guys to reevaluate some things. Because again, there was a lesson here. And you remember, even if it's the past person, well, I really don't care. Look, if it's the past person coming back, if it's a new person coming in, with me seeing the Hermit, and after what I was just telling you guys in the beginning of the video, they really need you guys to apply what the lesson that you previously learned to the past person or this new person. If it's the past coming back, just don't be so quick to take them back. Especially if they've been doing you wrong and it's like it's a cycle. They need to put in the work. If it's somebody new and you're, so used to like moving really fast, or you typically would see red flags or something, I'd be like, hold on, wait a minute, I don't know if I should deal with you, but you either ignore or you just keep moving. They don't want you to do that. So it's like, you guys have to take a cautious approach to whichever, situation you're in. And I feel like for a lot of you guys, you're definitely gonna do it. Alright. Okay, let's flip. I feel like this is for somebody that's dealing with an individual from the past. This person is coming out of their head at this point. They're coming out of being frustrated and they're getting ready to give you an offer. But I do feel like you guys are frustrated. And honestly, the person from your past is frustrated too, because they were in some type of codependent situation. It's like they were stuck. Look at that. I told y'all it was a third party here. They were stuck in some type of third party codependent situation where it could be a man, woman, family, friend, whoever. But that was the holdup. I told y'all somebody was like blocking. Somebody was lurking. There's another 3. Bottom of the deck. There was definitely some type of third party here, but I feel like this person wants to start over with you. This person wants to take you out. This person wants to, just have fun with you. They want to start over. So it looks like somebody's made a decision. Tell me more. Look at that. It's another 3. Good Lord. But, honestly, they made a decision. They want to, it's not want, I'm sorry. Somebody is getting out of a third party situation if they haven't done so already. They're getting out of it because they know that they want to be with you. And now it's like they have the confidence to leave that situation to come towards you to give you an offer. They realize that they cause an imbalance here between the two of you guys. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here, but, I feel like that's why they were moving slow, because they're trying to figure out, okay, what do I do? What do I say to get this person back? But they definitely want a new beginning with you. Look at that. Look, I'm telling y'all, there's an offer here. There's definitely an offer here. This is more so speaking, y'all. I tried to do, the single people where you're looking for new love. I'm still looking out for y'all. But right now, it's like, it's screaming person from the past. That somebody's coming back. Let's see. Yeah, somebody's ready to tell you the truth about what's going on. This is somebody from the past, y'all. Somebody's ready to tell you the truth. They had to let go of other options, But somebody's stuck in their head right now because they feel like they lost something here. I feel like it's the person that messed up. They feel like they lost you. And they really want to be with you. Look at that, 2 of Cups. They want a commitment. They definitely want a commitment. But there's a lot of conflict going on. Clarify the 5 of Wands. I feel like there's a lot of conflict. This person feels like there's a lot of conflict between the 2 of you. And there's also a lot of conflict going on with whoever they're dealing with. Whether it's family, friends, another man, woman. Yeah. But what's good about it and what I like to see, this person, there's definitely arguing on the other side. It's not so much with you because y'all really aren't talking too much. Even though this person needs to come out with their truth, which I feel like they are. But the arguing that's going on, because like, if you look at the 5 of Wands, you see how you got this person here, and it's like everybody is ganging up on this person. But then, Aquarius, I feel like this is you. You were like right behind this person the whole time, trying to like fight the other people off, like trying to be there for this person, and their back was just turned towards you because they were so busy trying to deal with these people, and these people don't really care about him or her, So I feel like there was just a lot of arguing going on. It's a lot of conflict. Like I said, it could be with family, friends, another person, whoever. But the person that did you wrong, They're dropping it. They felt like they were obligated to like help these people, you know, with something, whether it's for finances or just being there, whatever the case was, but they're dropping it. They feel like, you know what, I know what it is that I want, and I'm not going to have a new beginning if I keep this up. This person doesn't want a new beginning with these people that they've been arguing with. They're dropping them. But honestly, Aquarius, I feel like because this person put you guys through a lot of conflict here, you're dropping it. You're like, you know what? I can't continue to sit here and, I'm not sitting here saying y'all were waiting, but, you know, just be patient, because that's all you've been hearing. Be patient, be patient, be patient. You know, this is the one. And it's like you've been just trying to heal. You've been doing things for yourself. And it's like now you're just to the point where you're just ready to move on. You're like, you know what? I'm ready for happiness. This person hasn't showed up. They haven't said anything to me. You know, I'm done. I'm tired. I'm over it. And I'm ready to put myself out there for new love. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. But yeah, it's just like when you guys look at this person, you guys are really feeling like you're not going to have a new beginning. But I mean, the High Priestess, the way she just landed on the the reconciliation card like that, you guys are somebody's using their intuition. I'm telling y'all, somebody's coming back. And again, it could be this past person or it could be somebody new. Tell me more. But either which way, you know, you guys are putting the work and you're using your intuition. I mean, you're going to keep flying out on reconciliation? Somebody from the past. Aquarius, okay. Somebody from the past is coming. They're coming back. Somebody from the past is coming back. They see themselves having a family with you, building something stable with you. But you're back and forth, having a peace of mind with this individual. But I'm telling y'all, they're coming back to give you this offer of commitment, and they're serious. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But yeah, this person wants to give you an offer of commitment here. Tell me more for Aquarius, please. What's this? Yep. Somebody's made a decision. Oh my gosh. Aquarius, you made a decision. I feel like you're just not being positive about it. When this person does come back and forth, it's like 1 minute you're frustrated, the next minute you're not. But you're not moving forward with this individual. But they don't care. They're coming back. They're coming back to give you this offer. But somebody's not being positive about it. But look at that. Somebody wants a new beginning here. Clarify the Empress. But they're back and forth whether or not they should take a lead. So, honestly, Aquarius, whoever was the one that was doing wrong, they're juggling right now. They're trying to figure out, I feel like not so much juggling like someone else. It's more so juggling, trying to figure out how to approach you at this point, because they want a new beginning with you. They just don't know how to approach the situation. They don't know what to say because they didn't bring balance to you and the relationship. Told you, they're juggling. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius here, but I'm telling y'all, somebody's trying to weigh it up like, okay, should I go in and say this? Should I, send them a message? Should I call? Oh, wait, Aquarius blocked me. All right, so should I pop up at their house? Ooh, no, shouldn't do that. Like, they're trying to figure out what to do. And look, I'm telling y'all, that's why communication isn't coming in right now. It's just coming in really slow. But they really want to talk to you. But they're back and forth. I'm telling y'all, they want to talk to you. They want to open up the line of communication, but they don't know how to approach you. They feel like you cut them off, like block them. So maybe they've been trying to reach out, but they can't. Some of y'all changed your number. But they're like, they're battling. They're back and forth. But they're scared you're not going to give them this new opportunity here. But the seeds that were planted, they definitely want them to grow. Tell me more. Yeah. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign here. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person, they don't really communicate as far as like, they just don't communicate. It's like hard to get them to say anything, to open up emotionally. But by you guys like putting your foot down, standing your ground when it comes to this person, you're no longer reaching out. It's going to force them. They're getting ready to take the lead. They have to take the initiative to come towards you. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. But I do feel like there's a level of fear here. This person is scared, you know, because they do want to put in the